Okay, so we have 5 fingers, 5 to the left and 5 to the right. We have the pinky finger, the ring finger, the middle finger, the fourth or the index finger, and the thumb finger. So let's start knowing their finger placement in keyboard typing. First, we have the left pinky finger. We have letter Q, A, Z, and everything at its left. Example, the control, shift, cap locks are belong in this finger. Left ring finger. W has X letter, Alt and number 2 button, and some button aligned with it is assigned at this left ring finger. Left middle finger. E, D, C letters and some button aligned with it is assigned at the middle finger, which is on the left hand. The fourth left finger. There are 6 letters assigned with it. We have the RFB and the TGB, and some buttons aligned with these 2 lines is assigned at the left fourth finger. The left thumb finger. This finger is just assigned on a space bar.
Right hand.
And same at the left thumb, right thumb is also assigned at the space bar. Right fourth finger. There are also 6 letters assigned in it. We have the YHN, UJN, and other buttons aligned with it. Right middle finger. We have the letter I and K, and some button aligned with it is assigned at the middle finger. Right ring finger. Letters assigned are O and L, and every button aligned with it is assigned at the ring finger. Last is the right pinky finger. We have letter P and semicolon, and other buttons aligned with it is assigned at the right pinky finger. And here are some of the examples that would help us memorize and is easy to understand the finger placement in keyboarding.